Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the first day of 21-day brain detox session. So, I would request all of you to switch on your cameras. So, if possible, please switch on your cameras. Beena, Aruhi.
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah. And I request all of you, if you have your notebooks and pen with you, if you don't have, I'm giving you 30 seconds, just go and grab a notebook and a pen. And also, like for sitting, I would like if you have a cushion, if possible, if you can sit on a floor on a cushion or a mat, if that is possible, or you can sit on a chair, and but make sure your spine is straight while sitting. Okay, so I am so glad you are here, because the moment you show up for yourself, healing already begins. Over the next 21 days, we are gently going to release mental clutter, regulate the nervous system, and rebuild clarity. One simple practice at a time. Before we start, I would like to understand how many of you already have your dinner, or you will be having your dinner after the call.
Add.
You had dinner?
Yes.
Okay, that's perfect. And what about you, Sajal and Arohi?
Yes, मैम हेड मैम हो गया.
अच्छा, डिनर हो गया है. चलो, this is good. Like, it's good to have a gap of 2 to 3 hours between your dinner and bedtime. And notebook, I hope everybody, you are having the notebook and pen with you. And there is one more practice we will be doing every day. So dinner, I would like you guys have it early today, so I would expect you guys to have your dinner before this call. And after this call, if possible, try not to see your screen and see any news on news channels, and try not to use your phone if it is not very urgent, your laptops or any kind of screen. You can go for a walk, uh, or you can read a book, but try not to be in front of a screen if possible. Is that good? Okay. So before we start, so I would like to explain like what exactly is brain detox. So brain detox means intentionally clearing mental clutter, the endless thoughts, worries, and information overload that pile up in our mind. Okay, so it's not about forcing your mind to be empty, and it's about creating space for what truly matters. It's about reducing overwhelm and building healthier mental habits. Okay, so before we go deeper, let's reflect. How many of these signs apply to you? So, are you facing mental fatigue? Mental fatigue means struggling to make decisions, even the simple decisions in life. Okay. Second, do you have racing thoughts, like constantly your chatterbox in the mind is keep talking to you? Even if you try to quiet down, it's not shutting down. There is a loop of thoughts. Okay. And third is you feel overwhelmed. You feel there is lot of information or lot of tasks to done, and you are drowning in them. And fourth one is forgetfulness. Even if you are like forgetting small things, small commitments, you are not able to recall. So these all are the signs of that your mind need detox. Okay, so I want you to write them down. If you are facing any of this situation, if any of this applies to you, write them down in your notebook. Even if one of these felt familiar to you. Okay, so now here is the fascinating part. Our brain was not designed for the modern world, because usually the average brain processes 34 gigabytes of information per day, and that's like 1 lakh words daily. And your mind holds clutter in three major ways. So one is information overload. Today we are living in a world where information is very much accessible. We have overload of news, notifications, messages, endless scrolling. Second, there is emotional baggage from unprocessed feelings, unresolved conversations. We didn't got closer for certain things. And third is mental residue. There is some unfinished task. You're waiting for decisions. There are some delayed actions. And this is why we feel heavy even when we haven't done anything big. And our mind is always full. We feel like we are always doing something in our mind, but in real world there is no progress. And research shows our mind wander 47% of the time. We get 70,000 thoughts, 60 to 70,000 thoughts a day. And we are most of the time overactive in default mode, which leads to rumination. And 8 hours daily on digital, because we are spending 8 to 10 hours daily on digital devices, which is also contributing to the clutter. And I totally understand this is not your fault. Your brain simply wasn't built for this much input. This journey will help you gently deactivate that mental noise and shift from chaos to clutter, chaos to clarity. I hope everybody is with me till here. Yeah? Okay. So with this, we will be doing one practice. So before that, I want you to write down in your notebook what mental burden do you want to release. I'll repeat my question. What is the one thing you want to release from your brain, which you feel is a mental burden for me? Okay. Second, how will it feel to have a calm mind? Like when you will recognize, okay, this is the calm mind, this is what I was expecting, or this is what I was looking for. And third, I want to set your priority, whether you want a better sleep, less anxiety, or you want more focus. So write that one priority. Okay. So you can take your time. Now take a deep breath in. Close your eyes, place a hand on your heart and breathe gently. Now write your intention on your journal. Like anything you want to achieve. So here is one example, that I am creating space for clarity and calm every day. You can have your own intention. I hope if your intention is clear. So we will be doing a practice to manifest this intention, what you have written in your notebook. Okay. So with this, I would like Shubham to take charge, and he will help us so that we can go in the deep state of calm. Okay, over to you, Shubham. Before that, if anybody is having any doubts, so you can ask. Okay, no doubts. So over to you, Shubham. Shubham, you are on mute. Uh, we
We
can't
can't hear you.
we can't hear you.
Audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah, now you're audible.
Okay. So, hello everyone. It's our very first session, and let's start this session by meditation. Okay. Sit gently on chair, on bed, or if you are sitting on floor, having a mat, and sit on that. If you have your pen, your copy in your hands, just keep all these things besides. Leave everything. Now this is your own time, and we'll enjoy it. I just want your 15 minutes. That will be yours only, and you will enjoy it. Trust me. Just leave everything now. Sit in a position like your spinal cord should be straight. I don't want any movement of yours. If you want, take your time. Go at a place where you can sit alone without any noise, without any disturbance. It's okay. Leave your camera as it is. You just need to follow my instructions. I'm not going to see you, show you anything. Take deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now close your eyes. Take a position of Gyan Mudra. Gyan Mudra, just touch the tip of your finger, index finger, with the tip of your thumb. This would be the Gyan Mudra, if nobody knows that. Sit in Gyan Mudra, close your eyes, inhale and exhale. Whatever is going on in your mind, just let it be like that. Don't focus on that. Just follow me. Just listen to me. Close your eyes. Keep your spinal cord straight. Whatever is going on, just let it be. Focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. Keep it slowly. Inhale, exhale. मन एकदम शांत, शिथिल, कोई चंचलता नहीं। मन में जो विचार आ रहे हैं उन्हें आने देंगे, उन्हें जाने देंगे। कुछ भी रोककर सोचने का प्रयास नहीं करेंगे। कमर गर्दन सीधी, आंखें बंद। जस्ट लिसन टू मी एंड फॉलो माय इंस्ट्रक्शंस। इस दुनिया में आपके आसपास जो चल रहा है चलने देंगे। सब कुछ छोड़कर खुद में खो जाना, अपने आप को अपने भीतर ही ढूंढना सबसे सुलभ और सबसे कठिन तरीका है। मन को शांत करना, मन को मुट्ठी में करना केवल और केवल एक ही तरीके से, जिस पोजीशन में हम बैठे हैं और जिस अवस्था में हम अपने भीतर देखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, एक यही माध्यम है अपनी जिंदगी को, अपनी तनावपूर्ण जिंदगी को आराम देने का। से भी एवरी डे डू हार्ड वर्क, लेकिन मन को शांत कैसे करें ये कोई नहीं जानता। एंड देयर इज जस्ट अ सिंगल वे calm your mind, and that is to sit alone, close your eyes और खुद को ही देखना है। कमर गर्दन सीधी, आंखें बंद। मन में जो विचार आ रहे हैं आने देंगे, जाने देंगे। कुछ भी रोककर सोचने का प्रयास नहीं करेंगे। Now, if it is possible for you guys, try to focus on your third eye. दोनों आंखों के बीच देखने का प्रयास करेंगे। बंद आंखों से दोनों आंखों के बीच देखने का प्रयास करेंगे और यही वो रास्ता है जो हमें हमारे अंदर बैठे परमात्मा से मिलवा सकता है। यहीं से जर्नी शुरू होती है, फ्रॉम सेल्फ टू सेल्फ, इस आत्मा को उस परमात्मा से मिलने की। स्लोली इनहेल, स्लोली एक्सहेल चलता रहेगा। मेरे इंस्ट्रक्शंस को ध्यान से सुनते रहेंगे, फॉलो करते रहेंगे। मन एकदम शांत, कमर गर्दन सीधी, आंखें सहजता के साथ बंद हुई। ध्यान दोनों आंखों के बीच। भूल जाइए आज सुबह से हमने क्या किया। भूल जाइए आने वाले समय में क्या होने वाला है। दिस इज द हाई टाइम फॉर यू। आप अपना ध्यान, आप अपने मन को कंट्रोल में, आप खुद के शरीर के साथ स्वस्थता के प्रति कितने जागरूक हैं, कितने एक्टिव हैं, और इस पर आपको कितना काम करना है। हमारा रियल मोटिव यही है, आपको फिजिकली, मेंटली स्ट्रांग बनाना। जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर थर्ड आई। आंखें कोमलता के साथ बंद रहेंगी, और इन बंद आंखों के साथ अपने थर्ड आई को देखने का प्रयास करें। मन एकदम शांत, शिथिल, शरीर एकदम ढीला छोड़ देंगे, एकदम ढीला छोड़ देंगे। डीप इनहेल, डीप एक्सहेल। थर्ड आई जो एक रास्ता है आप अपने अंदर प्रवेश दिलाने का, यही एक माध्यम है जिसके द्वारा हम खुद को खुद से जान सकते हैं। मन एकदम शांत, शिथिल, शरीर एकदम ढीला। ध्यान दोनों आंखों के बीच से उठाकर इस बाहरी दुनिया में लेकर आएंगे। आंखें बंद रखेंगे। ध्यान दोनों आंखों के बीच से हटाकर इस आउटर वर्ल्ड में लेकर आएंगे। आंखें बंद रखेंगे। नमस्कार मुद्रा बनाएंगे। दोनों हाथों को तेजी के साथ रब करेंगे। टच योर आईज, फेस, चेक्स। दोनों हाथों को वापस से रब करेंगे और इस एनर्जी को अपने पूरे शरीर तक पहुंचाने का प्रयास करेंगे। शरीर में जहां कहीं दर्द, तनाव, थकान है, इस एनर्जी को वहां तक पहुंचाने का प्रयास, और बहुत ही सुगमता के साथ आंखें खोलेंगे। रिलीज। ओवर टू यू रुचिका।
Yeah, thank you, Shubham. It was a wonderful session. Thank you very much for this. So, yeah, with this, we will wrap this call. So, if anybody is having any questions before we conclude this call, you can ask. And okay, yeah. So, with this, remember that we are not supposed to see any news and try to avoid any screen time. After this call, you can go for a walk, you can read a book, and try to sleep by 10 o'clock, 10 or 10:30 if possible. Okay. You have any question, Bina?
No, thank you.
Okay.
You leave, right?
Yeah, so we are concluding the call. So tomorrow we'll connect at 8 p.m. at the same time. Okay. Bye, Bina. Bye, everyone.
बाय मैम, थैंक यू
बाय, सजल.
मैम. बाय
एग्जाम्स
मैम.
कैसे जा रहे हैं, सजल, आरोही, आप लोगों के?
बढ़िया.